Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to import data from Yahoo Finance to Excel. First, navigate to Yahoo Finance and search for the specific stock or financial instrument you wish to track. Once on its page, click on the Historical Data tab. This section provides a detailed view of past performance. Finally, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. This link is crucial for our next step in Excel. Now, let's switch over to Excel. Open a new blank workbook or an existing one where you want to add your financial data. Look for the Data tab located in the main ribbon at the top of your Excel window. Within the Get and Transform Data group, you'll find an option labeled From Web. Click on this to initiate the web data import process. A new dialog box will appear, prompting you for the URL. Paste the Yahoo Finance link you copied earlier directly into this field. Excel will then connect to the web page and display available tables. Select the table that clearly contains your historical data, usually labeled intuitively. Once you've confirmed your selection, simply click the Load button to import all that valuable information directly into your Excel sheet. Your Yahoo Finance data is now in Excel. To keep your information current, simply right-click anywhere within the imported data table. From the context menu, select Refresh to update the data with the latest figures from Yahoo Finance. This powerful feature allows you to perform ongoing analysis, create dynamic charts, and make informed decisions based on up-to-date financial trends.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.